Mhm. Mhm. God. When I was a little girl, sweetie, I lived in Manhattan, and whenever it rained, my job was to go out and take the worms and put them back in the dirt. All right. There you go. I mean, I still do it, but that was my mission, you know, as a child. It's like, oh, it's raining, it's raining. I gotta get the worms. Gotta get the worms. I know. Oh, sweetheart. What a lucky doggy.